Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Doug, and this is a audio sample for the game Deity that my colleagues and I are working on. I was supposed to get some scripts emailed to me so I could read them, but my fellow classmate has failed to do so. I'm not entirely sure why, but I guess I'll just wing it. Our title's name is Deity, as I think I mentioned before. It's about regular Joe Schmo who just gets zapped by Zeus and Dionysus to be a hero, and he fights monsters that are plaguing the world. So if you've seen any kind of video game that was made in the 90s, this is one of them, sort of. It's a side-scrolling brawler, so it'll be fun. So I don't know what I'm going to do for the dialogue test. I guess I will just keep talking, and I'm going to read the word of the day. Xanthic. Of or pertaining to a yellow or yellowish color. It's like the sun. Or jaundice. But when we get done, this will be our hero, and this will be our monster. Not really. It's not going to work like that. It's going to be 2D side-scrolling goodness. Just simple. We're going to have skeletons and an evil eye and pillars and all sorts of fun things. So that's about it. I appreciate you watching for me to do this thing.